Hello, my name is Omar Maddah, and today I'll be presenting the final project for 2DP4 microcontroller system. The project consists of building an angle management system. That means we'll be acquiring inclination angle measurements from 0 to 90 degrees using the accelerometer ADXL337 as our transducer. I'll start by explaining my specific requirements based on my serial number. My serial number is 400120830. Using my least significant digit, which is 0, I'll be using channel 4 for my input. Now for my second least significant digit, which is 3, I'll be using 12-bit resolution. Finally, my third least significant digit for my serial number is 8. That means I'll be using 8 megahertz for my E-clock frequency. Based on my student number specifications and being assigned 8 megahertz as my E-clock frequency, I had to calculate the baud rate, the new baud rate divisors, and the error based on the 8 megahertz. Based on my calculations, I found out that the error for most of the baud rates was 0.16%. But after 38400 as the baud rate, the error becomes more than 10 times bigger. We were supposed to select the highest baud rate possible. So that's why I used 38400 as my baud rate. Now to explain my system consists of 8 LEDs, 2 buttons, and the accelerometer. The first button is used to toggle between on and off. The second button is used to switch between mode 0, which measures the angle and the x-axis, and mode 1, which measures on the y-axis. Now for the LEDs, there's 8 LEDs that is used to demonstrate the BCD values. For the x-axis, I used channel 4, and for the y-axis, I used channel 5. Now, to demonstrate, when I start my code, and now when I press the first button, that means I initiated the communication. Now, when I press the second button, that means I'm on mode 0. Now that I'm tilting it on the x-axis, I see that the LED values are changing. And now when I press the button again, that means I'll be changing it on the y-axis. Now to demonstrate it on MATLAB to show the angles versus time, we can see that when I tilt it on the y-axis, we can see that the angle versus time is changing because it goes from 0 to 90. And it works as well when I switch it to mode 0. Finally, I wanted to point out the bonus for the interrupt. To make the interrupt for my buttons, I had to use 2 different vector numbers. Vector number 8u and vector number 9u from the table of interrupt vectors. I used vector number 8u to do my second button for the mode, and I used vector number 9u to toggle between on and off. And that was it for today for my final project. Again, my name is Omar Maddah, and my serial number is 400120830. Thank you.